घर तो फिर भी बन जाएगा, 4 दीवार और एक छत, घर बन जाएगा, बट आपकी जिंदगी, if you don't have a plan, if you don't have an outlook, if you have not engineered your life, what are you doing every day? Hi friends, this is Career Talks and I am Savan Kumar, and somebody today asked me what is the importance, goal बनाना क्यों important है? What exactly is the importance of making goals? क्यों बनाए हम goals? I can live my life without making goals. जिंदगी तो कट जाएगी, जिंदगी जी लेंगे हम, goals नहीं बनाएंगे, हम नहीं बना सकते, क्योंकि अगर मैं गोल बनाता हूँ और नहीं अचीव करता हूँ तो आई फील डिप्रेस्ड, आई फील बैड, आई फील लो, आई फील वरीड. सो इट्स गुड टू नॉट मेक गोल्स. इज दैट व्हाट यू थिंक? देन लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल टुडे. द एग्जाम्पल इज, सो इफ यू सी अ पर्सन, अगर आप देख रहे हो कोई एक बंदा एक खाली जमीन पर bricks लेकर रहा है, he is laying bricks to build a house, and you go and ask him, what are you doing? And if he says, I don't know, I'm just laying bricks, you again ask him, what are you doing? He then gets a little irritated और वो बोलता है, मैं अपना घर बना रहा हूँ. Then you ask him, अच्छा, so how exactly is your house going to look? He says, I don't know. Then you ask him, where are the rooms gonna be? Where is the kitchen going to be? Boundary wall कहाँ होगा? Main gate कहाँ होगा? Entrance कहाँ होगा? He says, I don't know any of those things. Then you feel weird. You think to yourself, or you say to yourself, आप खुद से बोलोगे, is this a mad guy? He does not have a plan. He does not have a structure. He does not have an architect. He does not have a drawing of what would be where. And he's just laying bricks. I was talking about building the house. Think about your life. घर तो फिर भी बन जाएगा, 4 दीवार और एक छत, घर बन जाएगा, बट आपकी जिंदगी, if you don't have a plan, if you don't have an outlook, if you have not engineered your life, what are you doing every day? Is it not like laying bricks without knowing what to do? Is it not about randomly laying bricks wherever you thought you can today about your life? Is it not the same? Yes, it is. And you are not just mad to think about it. You have to build your house only with a plan in your hand, and you can only build your life with a map in your hand, with a goal in your hand. So this goal that I was talking about is the map that you have, is like the map that you need to build a house. So if you do not have a goal, you do not reach anywhere, you do not do anything with your life. And that is why more than 90% of the people end up not reaching anywhere, because most of them do not have goals in their life. You would say that he does not have any goal. Nobody in my friends group, nobody in my society I have heard ever speaking of having goals in their life, but they are still living their life. They are kind of living well in their life. But do you think, is that not the reason for them not being successful? Don't you think that is the reason why only less than 2 or 3% become really successful, and more than 90-95% of the people end up living an average life, end up not being successful? If you are thinking about it, if you have not been thinking about it, start thinking about it now. Having the goals, even if nobody you have heard of making goals, writing goals, thinking about goals, this is the time that you start doing that. This is the time when you start thinking about it. This is the time when you start planning about your goals. you start giving time to think about goals. And once you start doing that, you start seeing the change in your life. Once you start doing that, you will for yourself start seeing how your life changes. How a beautiful house starts getting built. How you start seeing what you had seen in your paper, in that piece of paper, that drawing of the house. That is how it would look once it is built. And then you start laying the bricks. That is how your life would become. Your life would become exactly how you had planned it on that piece of paper where you wrote your goals. So start writing them and start seeing them converting into reality. It is only when you write them, they get converted into reality. Wish you all the very best. Until then, have a great and a wonderful evening from me, Sawan Kumar. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to come back to me and I'll be helping you with all the answers that I possibly can.